all doing great. So we have approximately 5 months towards NEET MDS 2021, starting from July, assuming that the exam would be in December. I'm sure you guys have several questions, and obviously the basic question, the first question would be, can I crack entrance with 5 months of preparation? Those who are starting, or those who are continuing your preparation, are 5 months sufficient to complete and revise the entire curriculum? The only answer which I would like to give you is yes. Yes to any question which questions your abilities. Can I do it? Of course, yes. Can I crack entrance? Of course, yes. Can I complete almost everything in the given time span? Of course, yes. Take my word. So all you need to do is work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, as I keep on reminding you, believe in yourself. 5 months with adequate planning, a proper schedule, you can comprehensively cover all subjects relevant to your exam. That's NEET MDS 2021. So just keep in mind the fact that it's all about staying positive. When I say this, you might be wondering, like, how can we stay positive amid the current situations or the current pandemic? There are so many challenges which we are all facing. So how can we on earth, how can we stay positive? Take my word, if you observe the history of humankind or mankind never gave up, no matter what the situations or challenges were, throughout the history. So we have a proven track record. So no matter what the challenge is, we will eventually overcome. But most importantly, if we stay positive, especially under these dire, extraordinary situations, I'm sure we'll do great. Take my word. So all we need to do is rather focusing on, there are several virtues, positive and negative virtues. Negative virtues definitely are dominating in the current scenario, but take my word, you cannot have both of them at the same time in your mind. That is positive and negative. There can be either only positive or negative. You cannot be happy and sad at the same time, as I mentioned prior in one of the previous live sessions. So the only way in which you can overcome your negativity is by implanting positive thoughts into your subconscious mind, which can be done with conscious effort. Consider this very, very important. So when you are positive, there is no scope for negativity. In fact, positive and negative are poor bedfellows, right? So with the proper plan, schedule, and your determination, you will crack the upcoming entrance. Take my word, right? Also, we're launching a new batch. Project Geo's course, we're launching a new batch from July. You can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com for all the details, including the schedule, fee structure, plan of action, etc. Right? So work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, believe in yourself. All you need to do is make sure that you're driving away negativity by entertaining positive thoughts. Right? So that enables you to enjoy the process. And once you start enjoying the process, will have successful outcome, not by some random chance, but purely out of your choice. For any further queries or assistance, you're more than welcome to get back through me at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Wish you all the best. Of course, love you all.